cookies. They are all delicious.
There's guava.
And you can find them in all the supermarkets, stores throughout the islands. Try it. You'll like it. To the left, excuse me, the right part is a small shrub about 13 feet tall. Some small green fluffy fruit starting to come out. This is the mother of all medicinal plants in Polynesia called noni. If you're into health food stores, you've heard of noni. If you're into snapple juice, they make noni juice and they call it noni berries. If you don't know about it, don't worry. 33 pharmaceutical companies have one time or another made juice, pills, leathers, and lotions out of the noni. We had that here, 2,000 plus miles off the coast of Chile, South America. Another Polynesian island exists there called Rapa Nui. They had the noni, they went to their mainland, found the sweet potato, and that's who we got that sweet potato from. Rapa Nui people took their volcanic basalts, carved big statues. To the left forward is one carving called the Aku Aku. Of course, you know that island today as Easter Island. Now, having said that, you may realize they carved bigger statues known as the moai, weighing upwards of 80 tons apiece. To move it, if not, they cut down the trees, rode and planted the statues to the shorelines up to 11 miles from the quarry. On the native intelligence variety, they always uphold that the moai walk to their destination. Oh, we have a minor bird flight. Now, two scientists returned from Rapa Nui last year with evidence leading to us to believe that it is the native intelligence that was the correct way things were done. So, history books need to be rewritten, but no money. So we'll have to wait and see what happens. Completing the Polynesian Triangle across the ocean from Rapa Nui before you hit Australia, go south, you'll find Aotearoa. Land of the long white cloud, you know the island today as New Zealand. And that completes the Polynesian Triangle with Hawaii at the top. We traverse this Polynesian Triangle, stars to guide us, wind, ocean currents, time of year, a lot of rain. And scientists say we did this before Vikings sailed out of sight of land. Think about it, pretty awesome for Stone Age people, not even a metal tool to cut those trees and fashion them into those beautiful, symmetrical, ocean-going canoes that traverse this wide Polynesian Ocean. Across the water to the right side